Now for the final part of sketching Michael Jackson, we are going to continue where we are left in the second part, that how we are going to blend those hairs which are darker ones with the clothes that Michael Jackson is wearing. So some part of the Michael Jackson of the things like coat he is wearing are lighter one, and some parts are darker one and making more shades, and the hairs are completely dark, right? But while zooming out the picture on the particular area where the darker hairs are going, I saw the details like smaller hairs are making grayish type of outlines, because it is not a completely black portrait or the background is also not black. So I saw those details, and for those making those smaller hair details, I am going to use mono eraser for making those grayish outlines of hairs. So for the first base layer, we have used charcoal powder. We have blended it using a makeup brush, and for the lighter parts like clothes and any other lighter parts, we have used a soft makeup brush for making those parts, blending those parts. And the vertical lines of clothes, I have used mechanical pencil, as it is the smallest one, or 0.5 mm, so that I can apply more and more details. But thing is that some parts are little bit of grayish also, so for making those parts little bit grayish, I have used blending stump. Then I have just blended it, and then finally used a makeup brush for blending it completely. So for the base layer, charcoal powder, then the first layer, use mono eraser, and then finally use soft charcoal pencil, which is the darkest one. Sharpen it as much as you can, and then finally make those hairs in directions. Like the right hand side part of the shoulder, you will see that it is completely black, but what I saw was those are so many millions of hairs. But the point is that you should have patience for making those hairs, because the part of those parts are completely black, but while zooming out I saw more and more details, so I made those using a soft charcoal pencil so that it looks more beautiful. Then now for the remaining part of the neck, the same technique that we have used in the face skin texture, the same technique we'll use on the neck also. But the problem here is that some part of hairs, that the straight hairs, like curly part of the hairs, is going on the face also, like the straight hairs going from forehead to the straight to the neck, those are the blackish, completely black part of the hairs. So if you have made a base layer using charcoal using a graphite pencil of 2B, and then you are making those hairs with charcoal pencil, it will not be blended, or it will give you a completely horrible look. So for that thing, we are going to make the hairs first, and then we are going to make the base layer using 2B pencil. It is recommendable by me also that if you want to blend charcoal and graphite pencil, it is not easy. So for that, just make more and more details so that you can have more details, and for making those details you have to zoom out your pictures. And the problem is that if you are an artist who made portraits using prints and any other things, I will recommend that you use your phone. Nowadays so many people, almost every people have phones, so that don't use gallery application where you have your portrait, because if you are going to zoom out your pictures or reference picture, it will not be zoomed easily, or you don't see any other details. So I recommend that use PicsArt or Snapseed or any application, and it will allow you to zoom out your pictures or the reference picture that you are having as much as you want. And as much as you will zoom out your reference picture, you will see more and more details, and the more details you will apply on your portraits, the more beautiful your sketch will look. The same technique that we have used on the right hand side shoulder of the Michael Jackson, the same technique we will use on the left part also. But the problem here is that so many parts of left hand side of shoulder are light also. Light in the sense too many highlights. Like the right hand side shoulder, the clothes were light but not completely light, but for the left hand side part, those are the clothes where a little bit lighter parts also going on, like the collar is completely white but layer bit of gray part is going on also. So for making those details, I am going to make those charcoal powder on the things like the hairs where the right upper part of the shoulder is completely black. So for the particular area I am going to use charcoal powder, and then for the same technique that we have used on the right hand side shoulder, same technique here, base layer with charcoal pencil, then first layer for using mono eraser and making outlines or highlights, and then finally using soft charcoal pencil for the outlines of the hairs, because hairs are never completely black or completely the spit type. So for making those things, use a soft charcoal pencil for the final layer. And then I'm going to tell you that for making those realistic and hyper realistic sketches, you should have patience. Like for this particular sketch, I have made it in 6.5 hours. I have uploaded it, the whole real-time sketches, on my second channel also, which is Switch Sketches 2.0. and the painting, so many artists I see make the mistakes that they see paintings and portraits of the artist which are having millions of subscribers or millions of views, and those portraits are just 4.5 minutes, and they see that they have made those portraits in just half hours or 1 hours. But the reality is that those portraits takes time, like for 50 hours, 100 hours for making those particular sketches. They have just uploaded it, the edited one, like making it into a time lapse. So they get inspired by those sketches, those sketch artists, and they start making those sketches in just half hours or 1 hours. I was making the sketches in just half hours, 1 hours, but those were looking just like sketches. I have made sketches in just 6 hours, in 8 hours. Also, like, I have uploaded the same Michael Jackson things on this Sunday. It will be uploaded on my second channel, where you will see how I apply details, how I apply pencil, how I apply pressure, how I use mono eraser on the particular area. So if you want to check out how I do the particular things, you can see those parts also. But for the particular tutorial of this one, you should have patience for making any portraits. Apply more and more details to your sketches so that it looks more beautiful, and then finally use your brain also. Like, I am going to tell you the main thing, that while making any portrait, after 10 hours, 15 hours or 1 or 2 hours, the idea or the main thing going on any artist mind is that just leave the picture and for tomorrow also. But procrastination is the main thing about any artist or any portraits. So keep on focusing, keep on doing your sketches every day, so that you can sharpen your mind also and your skills also. Your skill will allow you to make more and more beautiful sketches. Your hands, how you apply pressure and how you make sketches, how you make portraits are the thing. Make more and more portraits so that you can have more realistic and hyper realistic looks.
So if you have learned something from this video, subscribe and drop a like, and comment down your question and queries regarding this tutorial. Meanwhile, take care of your loved ones too. Have an artistic day. Tattoos.